schools of interpretation or time period. Freudian criticism 1900 to present. Freudian criticism. New humanism 1910 to 1933. Russian formalism 1915 to 1929. Cambridge School 1920s to 1930. Juguan criticism 1920s to present. Frankfurt School 1923 to 1970. New criticism 1930 to 1960. Chicago School 1950. Structuralism 1950 to 1960. Post-structuralism 1960 to 1970. Post-structuralism. Feminist criticism 1960 to present. Deconstruction 1967 to present. Lacanian criticism 1977 to present. Deconstruction 96 to present. Lacanian 97 to present. New historicism 1980 to present. New historicism 1980 to present. Queer theory 1980 to present. The parts of speech poem. Every name is called a noun. The part of speech poem. Every name is called noun. Age, field and fountain, street and town. In place of noun, the pronoun stands. Age, he and she can clap their hands. He and she is pronoun. The adjective describes a thing. Age, magic wand or bridal ring. Magic and bridal is adjective. The verb means action, something done. Age, read and write and jump and run. Jump, run, ये सब क्या adjective verb. How things are done, the adverbs tell. Quickly, slowly, badly, well are adverbs. Preposition show relation. Age in the street or the station. Conjunction join in the many ways. Sentence, word, phrase. Interjection, cries, hark. I need an exclamation mark. Analogy. When the evening is spread out against the sky like a patient athlete upon a table. This is analogy. When the evening is spread out against the sky like a patient athlete upon a table. Oxymoron. All animals are equal, but some animals are more equal than others. Oxymoron. More equal than others. Juxtaposition. Happy families are all alike. Every happy family is unhappy in its own way. Simile. The cafe was like a battleship spread for action. Idiom. All these happened more or less. The war parts anyway are pretty much true. Hyperbole. It is a slow work. I spent a couple of weeks there one day. Euphemism. I can hardly even remember what all I said to him. I told him he thought he could give the time to everybody he felt like. Dialect. Fella gets used to a place it's hard to go. Said कैसे. Fella gets used to a way of thinking it's hard to live. University wits. Group of young dramatists associated with Oxford and Cambridge. University wits. Group of young dramatists associated with कैम्ब्रिज और जो ऑक्सफर्ड थे उसके जो ग्रुप में जो ड्रामेटिस्ट थे उससे मिलकर बना था यूनिवर्सिटी वीट से. दे इंट्रोड्यूस रोमांटिक ड्रामा इनटू इंग्लिश थिएटर. उन्होंने यूनिवर्सिटी वीट्स है उन्होंने रोमांटिक ड्रामा लाए थे इंग्लिश थिएटर में. कौन लाए थे? यूनिवर्सिटी वीट वाला ने. यूनिवर्सिटी वीट्स आर. अब देखो इसमें कौन कौन है. जॉर्ज पीएलए थे 1558 टू 1598. जॉर्ज पीएलए. रॉबर्ट ग्रीन 1558 to 1592. रॉबर्ट ग्रीन. जॉर्ज पीले. थॉमस नेशे 1567 to 1601. Thomas Rogers 1558 to 1625. Thomas Kidd थे 1558 to 1594. थॉमस लिली थे ये, और जॉन लिली थे. क्रिस्टोफर मार्लो 1564 to 1593. Spencerian stanza, a 9-line stanza with the rhyme scheme ABAB BCBC C. ABAB BCBC C. Spencerian is a 9-line stanza. First 8 lines in iambic pentameter, last line in iambic hexameter. Yes. Alexandrian कहते हैं इसको, लास्ट वाला लाइन को Alexandrian हेक्सामीटर को. Introduced by Edmund Spenser by in the Fairy Queen. Percy Bysshe Shelley P.B. Shelley. The Revolt of Islam. Spenser stanza कहते हैं ये एडोनाइस और द रिवोल्ट ऑफ इस्लाम P.B. Shelley की है स्पेंसर स्टेंजा में. जॉन किट्स द ईव ऑफ एग्नेस इमिटेशन ऑफ स्पेंसर, यह है स्पेंसर स्टेंजा की जॉन किट्स की. और P.B. Shelley की द रिवोल्ट ऑफ इस्लाम एंड एडोनाइस, ये स्पेंसर स्टेंजा में. विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ की है द फीमेल वेग्रेंट विलियम वर्ड्सवर्थ की है स्पेंसर स्टेंजा में. अल्फ्रेड लॉर्ड टेनिसन द लोटस ईटर्स बाई अल्फ्रेड टेनिसन किसमें है, स्पेंसर स्टेंजा में है. यूफेमिज्म, आई कैन हार्डली इवन रिमेंबर व्हाट ऑल आई सेड टू हिम, आई टोल्ड हिम ही थॉट ही कुड गिव द टाइम इज यूफेमिज्म. टू एनीबडी ही फेल्ट लाइक. Foreshadowing, one man's life or death were but a small price to pay. Foreshadowing, for the acquirement of the knowledge which I sought. Paradox, war is peace, freedom is slavery, ignorance is strength. Symbolism, shoot all the blue jays you want if you can hit them, but remember it's is a sin to kill a mockingbird. Symbolism. Irony, it is a truth universally acknowledged that a single man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of wife. Metaphor, all the world is a stage and all the men and women merely players. Example of metaphors, they have their exits and their entrances.